Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. अब ब्रांड न्यू से याद आया कि यार ये साल भी ब्रांड न्यू है. So here's wishing you a very very happy 2013. I really hope and pray कि आपने जो भी रेजोल्यूशंस बनाए हो 2013 के लिए वो आप रख पाएं एंड आपका हाल मेरी तरह नहीं हो जाए. जैसे मैंने एक रेजोल्यूशन बनाया था कि 2013 में जनवरी 1 से मैं डाइट पे रहूंगा. मेरा वो रेजोल्यूशन टूट चुका है ऑलरेडी क्योंकि इसी एपिसोड में मैं आपको एक बहुत ही बढ़िया रेस्टोरेंट भी दिखाने वाला हूं. बट डोंट वरी अबाउट मी. मैं मानता हूं लाइफ में एक ही रेजोल्यूशन अच्छा होना चाहिए. वो रेजोल्यूशन है आपके टीवी का रेजोल्यूशन. तो अगर आप मुझे हाई रेजोल्यूशन पे देख रहे हैं तो अपनी सीट बेल्ट लगा लीजिए because this is going to be a maha entertaining episode, the first one of 2013. We're going to start with fashion. Now Charles & Keith showcased their 2013 spring collection. We were there, and which means you were also there. Take a look. This new collection brought in a fresh air of both sophistication and aesthetic appeal. This was showcased with a fabulous fashion show and cocktail at Movida, Radisson Royal Hotel. The Grand Soiree collection took glamour to a whole new level with gemstone hues of fiery red, emerald, fuchsia gold, intense shimmery and studded stilettos. The Natura collection styled up the evening by adding a touch of grace with delicate suede and soft leather in earthy camel, brown, mustard and white platform heels, wedges and peep toes.
It's one of the very bold approaches of Charles & Keith in spring 2013. They have introduced vibrant colors this year, and it's going to be only with neon colors, with pastel colors, with art. There is a collection called Art Deco, and there is a collection called Minimal Bold. This is a very strong approach from them, and this is different one comparing to what they used to do in the past.
With such a head-turning ensemble, it is just a wait for the collections to be out in stores early 2013.
Charles & Keith, they have inspirations that goes from nature, from architecture, from a lot of elements in our life. They have a team of designers. They go around the world and they really take the inspirations and they launch their collections.
Really well organized, and I like the whole the whole ambience first of all, and I like the way they had styled the whole thing. Loved the way they had combined the pastel shades, and the shoes were fantastic. I really like the tones that they had used.
Yeah, it's great. Movida is amazing, and just the way everything was set up, and even the way the shoes are placed in the front, and the girls were great, and yeah, everything was fabulous.
नया साल आ चुका है और नए साल के साथ आ चुका है नया सीजन. वी आर बैंग इन द मिडल ऑफ विंटर्स. आई नो आपको शायद इतनी सर्दी ना लगे, बट हमारे पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में यही विंटर है. यू नो देयर इज ओनली वन थिंग दैट इज कांस्टेंट अबाउट एवरी विंटर. सर्दी कितनी आएगी इसका किसी को गारंटी नहीं होती है, लेकिन जब विंटर आता है लोग कैशमेयर्स और पश्मीनास खरीदेंगे, इसकी गारंटी डेफिनेटली होती है. विंटेज शेड्स वर इन दुबई एंड दे शोकेस्ड अ कलेक्शन ऑफ हाई एंड लग्जरी वुलन्स. एंड अगर आपने इसे मिस कर दिया है, डोंट वरी, हम वहां पे थे. वील शो यू व्हाट दे हैड. Vintage Shades, an exclusive range of luxurious scarves and shawls crafted with personalized care, brought its designs to Dubai for its second season. From neutral to vibrant shades, its impressive cashmere fabric, embellished with luxurious pearls and feather-light splatters of Swarovski, reflected contemporary designs and new age trends.
Vintage Shades is a fashion accessories brand from Delhi that carries shawls and scarves, which are embellished with Swarovskis and pearls. And their main focus of the business is quality, and they just do not compromise on quality.
These scarves and shawls are stylish and fashionable, and they also fulfill its purpose during cooler months. Hence, the designer range of vintage shades showcased its spectacular range of timeless fabric and handcrafted art.
Our first year was last year, and it was a huge success. And because of that, we have decided to do another event this year. And we have done even better than we did last year. And whoever has come as customers last year have come back only to purchase more things because they were so impressed with the products, with the quality, with the designs, and they've only come back to pick up more just to add to their collection.
I have to say the collection just gets better and better. The colors, the crystals, the Swarovski that's on them they're just so beautiful. And I always pick up something from Vintage Shades because I just think it's completely worth it. The fabric, the pashmina, the cashmere shawls is definitely it's worth to have in your wardrobe. And this season is just the best time in Dubai to buy yourself one. So.
It's made from the finest qualities with the finest pearls, and the colors are fantastic. You know, there's the neutrals, there are brights, there is a black, and you just get the best of everything. There are embellishments. For instance, you know, you have roses, you have skulls, you have the skylines, you have just crystals all over.
What a fabulous collection! इसे देखकर कई सारे लोग दीवाने हो गए होंगे. एंड अब ब्रेक के बाद मैं थोड़ा सा जादू दिखाऊंगा. ये सारे दीवानों को मैं टीवाना बना दूंगा. That's right. आपको मैं बनाऊंगा टीवाना, but that's coming up after the short break.